This is the trend review for Tuesday, the 27th of February 2024. And a bit disappointing today for me. Uh, Nvidia was opening within the pivots, I mean, within the value area of yesterday. 2 days ago, we had a sell off after trying to go after making higher highs. Then the day after, on Monday, we pretty much had very quiet price action and set value lower. And I'm sorry, higher. And then today we set value. No, yesterday, I'm sorry. We set value higher, then value lower. And today, I think maybe about the same, maybe lower. And the price action wasn't really wide. It was between S2 and R2. And in the open, well, first of all, I had two plans. I wanted to see a long from the previous day close, or S2. Let's see if these are correct. First of all, no, they're not. No, what am I doing? They were correct. So yeah, at the open, I was expecting a drop to the previous day close, or S1 or S2, and then a reversal. But the price actually was very, very weak, and we ended up selling after a bit of a compression here. I really wanted to make a short here. We were respecting 794, and I should have pulled the trigger here on any pullback, but it's very difficult. Nonetheless, I have to pull the trigger at this extreme because that's the most obvious. That's what I'm good at. Reading that entry, but I didn't take it, nervousness. And when we started to drop below the previous day close, I just didn't make an entry. And as a result, I'm forced to wait for a responsive answer, as for responsive participants, as we drive away from yesterday's value. And so I waited. I couldn't take this one. This was a lot of volume, but we didn't really have one of my obvious signals. I guess it required a little bit more of tape reading for this one. And then we reversed, and my understanding of the market structure at the time was that this was a double distribution trend day. And as a result, I wanted to make an entry as soon as we had a signal for a reversal. And this doji here was really clear to me. We actually dropped to 2 to 1 on Nvidia as I made my entry at 781, but got stopped out. And then I wanted to make another entry at VWAP, but the spread was very nasty, and I ended up entering very late. And of course, I got stopped out. I should have gotten out actually. And then you can see here that we didn't really have another opportunity to enter for a reversal. The price action was very not clean at all, kind of non-trendish. But we had a wild move at the open. And so maybe at 126 was a good opportunity, as we tested the high of the day and failed to break higher. But those two trades were not the best. I think today is a no day. Mostly because I'm paying a price for not pulling the trigger when I'm supposed to. I need to really define the criteria for a continuation for a trend day, because this is the second time this week it happens, or in the past week as well, where I try to play a continuation, but I'm just chasing the money, and I don't have a clear edge on that. Excellent pre-market prep, respected stop loss, respected max, stop loss because I wanted to make an entry at a stool for a short because we had two weeks to the top side, and this was a good level, but that didn't happen. So I would have gotten stopped out. So that's why it's important to respect the rules. I don't think I took good trades today. Two trades, 0.2 and minus 2.5. So these were traverses, or a continuation of the traverse on a trend day. No. Yeah, the stuff that is maddening is that I see the opportunity early in the morning. I see the extreme, but I don't pull the trigger, and it's a psychological thing, and it's not good. So this is just money, not part of original plan. So I need to start being more strict because I cannot continue to make justifications for that. So yeah, that's it for my trade review today. I might also be making my life difficult by trading Nvidia, as it might be in a period where things are calming down, but still a lot of wild moves. So there is money to be made. It's just that I miss out the early entries. I'm not confident in them, even though I can read them. Yesterday I was able to read them, but I didn't react to the rejection, and this time I'm just frozen, and I didn't pull the trigger for this excellent opportunity here of a short. Yeah, so I'm overthinking things. But that's it for today.